Oh, it's always fun to go out here and get a fan something to see. And it being my last year, it really sealed the deal for me. You know what I mean? I'm glad that we played well as a team, as a unit. But for me, for my last time, I think I performed very well. I mean, which is always important. You wanna leave everything that you do to last the best way. So I think I've done that. I mean, it was good to see the whole bunch of fans come out to support the Wolfpack.
Right, and we were talking about Scott the other week, and this is a big year for you. How excited are you for this big senior year?
I'm very excited. I mean, it's a blessing for me to go through all 4 years being healthy. I mean, it's very good to be healthy. I mean, because you don't miss no games and no plays and everything like that. So I mean, it's my last year. Hopefully, I can reel my team to the top. And finish strong.
And you got a new quarterback out there today. How was it going with Mike?
Mike is unbelievable. I mean, his maturation process, and and him watching, being a student of the game. I mean, with him sitting back for a couple years and watching Russell, I mean, that really elevated his game because he took things from Russell's game and put it into his game. So I mean, and it showed out here on the field. I mean, I know all the interviews see him doing good, but he did a really good job.
And you actually got two Brunswick County boys with you up here. What's it like having other guys from where you're from?
Oh yeah, they like my young boys, man. I tell everybody to watch out for him. Jesse is he's done nothing but great things since he's been here. I mean, AJ, he's on the rise every day. I mean, and I'm proud of because we come from a small area, and it's good to see hard work. I mean, because not a lot of people come out of that area, so the ones that work hard, I mean, you see the results in the field.